The Gateway South transmission line extends over 400 miles from Wyoming into Utah. The project is part of PacifiCorp's Energy Gateway project, an integrated resource plan that will add close to 2,000 miles of new transmission line across the western United States. Gateway South crosses 3 states and 12 BLM jurisdictions. It employed close to 2,000 employees during peak construction times, including an estimated 24 civil crews, 42 foundation crews, 5 wire crews, 400 steel hands, and a wide range of support staff. It entailed the erection of more than 1,500 structures, totaling more than 58 million pounds of steel. The Quanta-led EPC team was made up of more than 15 Quanta operating companies, 5 of which had a dedicated foundation scope. Crux's scope included the installation of several hundred pedestal foundations and close to 200 drilled piers, in addition to design and installation of approximately 1,800 grouted anchors, 225 helical anchors, and 72 micropile foundations. Foundations support a variety of structure types and were successfully installed in diverse access and subsurface conditions. Helicopter support was required for several sites featuring challenging terrain. Individual access plans were developed for hundreds of structures located on private lands, and the project team had to navigate numerous unpredictable environmental buffers. The Gateway South project is largely complete and expected to be in service by late 2024. The Quanta team realized a number of critical efficiencies throughout construction, and the project serves as an excellent example of the hurdles that can be overcome through integrated collaboration.